Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Different Division platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2019. So let us see this question first. Question says, a body of weight 200 Newton on the surface of Earth. How much will it weigh halfway down to the center of Earth? So that means you have been given, if I'll redraw the structure of Earth, so that means any particular object whose mass is m on the surface of Earth would be attracted towards its center with a weight which is equivalent to m into g, where acceleration g is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. Okay, so that means this weight is given by 200 Newton, which is already given to you on the surface of Earth. So how much will it weigh halfway down to the center of Earth? So if you'll move inside and you come to this particular point, okay, so at this particular point, let acceleration due to gravity is g dash. So you are moving a distance, you have moved a distance of r by 2 from its surface. So the rest other distance that you need to cover is r by 2, don't you think? Because r is the radius of Earth. So you have to cover, so you are at its middle point from moving from the center towards the center of Earth. Here the acceleration due to gravity is given by relationship which is g dash is nothing but g 1 minus d by r, where d is a depth from the surface of Earth. Okay, obviously this d depth is given by a relationship which is already given to you as r by 2, because since you have moved halfway down to the Earth, so it would be r by 2, and where g is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth, so it is in comparison to the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. So this g dash comes out to be g 1 minus, where d is nothing but r by 2 multiplied by r, so r will gonna cancel out, so this g comes out to be 1 minus half, which is nothing but g by 2. So g dash, acceleration due to gravity halfway down the Earth, is g dash by 2. So what would be its mass? So if small m kg mass is placed over here, so its weight would be m into g dash. Okay, so that means m into g dash would be its weight, so this is nothing but m into g by 2. So that means it is half of the weight as compared to the weight on the surface of Earth. So it would be mg by 2, where mg is nothing but 200, so it would be 200 by 2, which is 100 Newton. So that means if you'll move at this particular point, the weight comes out to be 100 Newton. So the answer is your fourth option. Okay, so this would be the option that you should choose. Okay, obviously if you'll keep on moving inside the Earth, at the center, at its center, r becomes equal to, this d becomes equal to r. So at this particular point, if it becomes r, so r cancel out, so it would be equal to 0. So that means at the center of the Earth, the weight would be 0. At certain distance halfway, weight would be half, and the weight would be maximum at the surface of Earth. Okay, so in numerous other questions they may ask what would be the weight at the center of Earth and what would be the weight at different locations. So you must remember all those concepts. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.